Hi there. Let's see how to download your content from Developers Zone. So first of all, you need to visit Developers Zone. So you will get your content for your client work, but these are the paid contents of WordPress themes and plugin and e-commerce content. But only you can use this for your personal use or for your development. But for your client, you need to ask your client to buy the original content. Okay, at first go to search button, say I want to download the Fable theme. Okay, you will get the theme here, and I'm going to the theme page, and at the very bottom of this theme you will get a download button option. Okay, so this download button will redirect you to a content of Mega, and you can easily download this from here. So this is how you can easily download your premium contents from developerszone.net. Thank you.